maker. Ice maker. It had stopped to collaborate and make ice. Your whiskey is warm and it's really not that nice. If your dryer's bad, look at it tightly. Oh my gosh, it squeaks daily and nightly. Will it ever work? Yo, you must know. Call Fix Appliances. Let us run the show to the extreme. We come for the rescue any time of day, anywhere. So let's go dance all the way to the door of the house, cause we're gonna fix all your appliances handy. My skills are like melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, I'll fix it today. You better believe there is no other way. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Cool like a fridge and hot like an oven. Fix appliances. We fix appliances. Yo.